In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cloudflare to set up custom domain for TagOn. So the reason why you might want to use Cloudflare is Cloudflare already provides an SSL certificate for your custom domain, so you don't need to set up an SSL certificate yourself. Also, many registrars don't allow you to add a custom CNAME for your root domain, so using Cloudflare will help you solve that problem. So to get started, go to cloudflare.com and sign up for a free account. Once you sign up for a free account, follow the Cloudflare instruction on how to set up your domain. So let's put your domain here and click on Add Site. Click Next and select the free plan. Confirm plan and click on Confirm. Now let's set up some CNAME records so your custom domain can work with TagOn. So set up a CNAME record like this if you want your root domain to work with TagOn. If you want to use your subdomain, you should put your subdomain name right here. In this case, I'm using my root domain. Because I'm using my root domain, I'm going to set up another record that looks like this. And click on Add Record. Now let's continue to the next step. At this step, you will need to go to your registrar for your domain and change the default name servers to the new Cloudflare name servers. So changing the name servers is going to be different in every registrar. So if you don't know how to do this, please contact your registrar support or read their documentation on how to change the name servers for your domain. You need to go to your registrar and replace all the current name servers with the new Cloudflare name servers, like I have done right here. Please note that it will take some time for the name servers to properly propagate. Now let's continue to the next step. Once the domain is properly propagated, you can recheck the name servers here to make sure that everything is live. The next step is go to crypto and make sure that the SSL setting here is set to flexible. Now the last step is going into TagOn and put your domain inside your custom domain settings. At this step, you don't need to add SSL certificate because Cloudflare already handles the SSL certificate for you. Now let's go to this domain to see if it works. As you can see, the domain has been set up and the SSL certificate is already handled by Cloudflare. So with this Cloudflare method, you can set up your domain pretty easily without having to set up the SSL certificate yourself.